Today we're doing our second maternity shoot ever. Our first one went really well. We're here at the Weston Villa here in Kanapali, trying to do a beach sunrise session. The sun has risen pretty well, but I'm hoping to use some of these buildings back here to kind of create some shade to shoot in while still giving a really nice pretty background. Just a little bit of color to the sky. The islands in the background look wonderful. I think it's going to be really nice in the end. Man, it was a really cool morning though. Some great whales, saw some whales, some great colors, but really looking forward to the session. Happy to be doing it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to record some of these photo sessions I'm doing, kind of give a behind the scenes of how I take photos, thought process, probably the lack of thought process really. A lot of it's just kind of intuition. It's hard to kind of explain, but hopefully it's gonna be fun, so yeah. That's great. Good hand placement. Doesn't look weird. Awesome. I'm surprised. That's great. What are you hoping for? Nice. Yeah? Awesome. Why boys?
My dog is drama.